My name is Craig Oertwerth, and I'm a partner with Brian McChesney and the law firm McChesney and Oertwerth here in St. Louis, Missouri. Our primary areas of practice are personal injury, but of course there's subspecialties in there. We do a lot of trucking accidents, workers' compensation, wrongful death, and we also do some explosions and work like that. You always worry about making sure that you give your client the best service. You want to make sure that you're doing what you should do to give them the most zealous and hardworking representation you can. As a business owner, you're also worried about making sure that people call you and that you get new clients. It's important that you treat the clients that you have well, but also get new ones. And that's part of the reason why we use services like Martindale-Hubbell. When we first opened our firm in April of '06, we chose Martindale-Hubbell to do our custom website. We stayed with that for about 4 to 6 months, and then Martindale-Hubbell came to us and said, we have a series of items, different things that we can do search engine optimization wise, whether it's Google changes or now that Bing has come along. I mean, the search terms have to change. They have to be more organic and be prepared for change. We try to be efficient with our advertising. I do know that some of our larger settlements have come from, for instance, Lawyers.com. We received a case that we settled for 7 figures where a lawyer out of state found us through Lawyers.com. Whether it Google changes or Bing changes, you have to be ready for it. And obviously, as an attorney, that's not something I'm aware of. But Martindale-Hubbell's pretty good about letting us know, hey, here are the things we need to change, or here are the different directions. This year we need to look. And so when they make those recommendations, we tend to go along with them. When you have a monthly budget of advertising and you're spending X dollars, you're always looking for a better return on your investment. We spend money for both on the print media, which is primarily Yellow Pages, and internet, which is Martindale-Hubbell exclusively. When we look at that, when we look at the cases that are coming to us, we're getting cases from both sources. But the larger settlements are the clients who tend to have the cases that tend to be larger in number come from the website. Somebody asked me what my business would be like if I didn't have the internet. I don't know if I could answer the question. We probably have in the neighborhood of 40 to 50 active cases that have come from the internet. So you're looking at a significant reduction in your practice. The other thing that you have is the type of cases that you're getting. Again, the cases that we get from the internet tend to be a more engaged client, tend to be a client who has a case of more significant injury. So how it would change my practice, I would say pretty significantly.